everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm at a home with a heap of potential at 3 Cinnamon Avenue in Coolum Beach. What the owners have loved most about this property is the ability to walk and ride everywhere in Coolum. The flat terrain allows you to get to Coolum State School and soon to be developed Barnes Lane Farm, as well as the Coolum shops and beach. What will also be appealing to buyers is a 702 square metre block and the fact that there is no neighbour to the rear. The brick home is of solid construction and is elevated from the ground. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, which offer a great template to extend upon, or simply begin your beachside lifestyle in this move-in ready home. I highly recommend you come and see the home for yourself. For those interstate or overseas, more than happy to walk you through the home virtually. I'm Joel Hood, and we look forward to meeting with you soon.